Hi there, Arend here from Harcourts in Palmerston North. I'm here with Jen Taylor from Mortgage Link again, just to give you guys a little bit more information around purchasing a property. If you're an investor, so you may already own your own home, so you're looking at something like that, or maybe if you're a self-employed person or something like that. So let's start with people who own their own home, looking at getting an investment, want to take the money out of the bank, so not getting any interest on it these days. Are you seeing that sort of area happening at the moment? Or?
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, with the way that the housing market is at the moment, their existing properties, the value has increased, so they've got a lot of equity sitting in their houses, and they're wanting to do something with it. So we're seeing a lot of people that are looking at buying either bigger homes or investments around the area. And the great thing about that is that the Reserve Bank restrictions that were lifted throughout COVID. So around previously, when we were looking at investment properties, you had to be 80% on your owner occupied, and you could only go up to 70% on your residential investment. But now it's an 80-80 split across both, with most banks. Different criterias again, come and have a chat with us and we can look at your situation and what you're doing. So that's really pushed the market with people looking at buying investment properties. With that restriction lifted, gives people bigger opportunity to buy. So what they're doing is primarily renting out their home that they're living in, so we can use that rental income for any application, and then they're buying upsizing.
So they've got their family home there, they're wanting to purchase another property to move into, maybe downsize, and then just exactly that, rent out their existing home.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or maybe even just add to their portfolio that they've already got or something like that.
Definitely.
Yeah. So with people who have their own business, so the main drivers of the country and the economy, how are they getting on at the moment as far as purchasing?
Yeah, so again, it depends who you speak to about being self-employed. There are people that potentially can shy away from self-employed because it's in the too hard basket, but no, definitely there are options out there for self-employed people. With coming to an advisor, like I said previously, we do have a wide range of lenders that we can deal with. Ideally, the banks want to see 2 years worth of financials.
Yes.
But we are getting things across the line where they have a minimum of 1 year.
Oh, that's really good.
1 year, and then a forecasted cash flow from their accountant for what the next year looks like. And then if you don't have that, or you just started out, we do have like a short-term options for people that have been in for like 6 months maybe, and we can look at what their GST returns look like. Again, forecast of what the business is going through. So there are a lot of options that people just don't know about.
Yeah, and I suppose that's the key thing is finding that information, and instead of thinking, oh, it's too hard or I can't do it, or getting the wrong advice from someone who's not quite in the know like you guys are, of just getting that right information and investigating it. Can I do it? So, the best thing is to do is come and see Jen at Mortgage Link, ask the question, can I purchase a property? And if so, what level can I go to, and get everything all sorted? So that's really good information. So thanks a lot for that information. So there's some great stuff there, guys. Get in touch with Jen at Mortgage Link and get yourself all sorted. Thanks.